Girls, he's coming. Please remember, once he comes in, sing. I remember the birthday song.
Oh, okay.
Song. And smile, smile. Yes, no. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow, wow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, baby.
I really do appreciate this.
I always love celebrating you on your birthdays.
Yeah, sure. And I really do appreciate this. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
You're my word. What can I do without you?
Baby, I love you.
I love you, man. Thanks for all you do.
I've always prayed for the courage to do this. I love you, my darling, from the deepest part of my heart. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. That is why... That's why I want to take this bold step. Will you be my husband? Please, just say yes, darling.
Melissa, what's the meaning of this nonsense now? You mean you brought me out here to rubbish me for your sisters?
No, babe, I love you and all my intentions for you are pure and genuine. It's not rubbish. Just say yes, darling, please.
I should say yes. Melissa, this is Africa. It is unwomanly for a woman to propose to a man. Get that into your thick skull and don't try this nonsense again.
Maurice, I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. Please, baby, please.
Maurice, what?
Are you angry? Babe, Maurice! Is he angry? Babe? Maurice!
Nonsense! What's the meaning of all this? Whoever that told this girl that she can propose to a man must be very insane! What's the meaning of this? Look at the stunt she just put out there. Allow me be the man. Why are you in a hurry to marry? So many of your age mates are single. Allow me be the man. Maurice telling me that all her friends are married. And so what? Do you have to go this extreme? Allow me be the man, Melissa, for crying out loud! Out of the way! Nonsense! Birthday boy! Birthday boy! Can you imagine the likeness?
What is happening now? You're supposed to be with your girl now, partying. Today is your day, my man. Today is your day.
My guy, can you imagine that girl proposing to me before people?
Wait. Wait. She proposed to you. Where is the ring now? Where is the ring? And you said yes. My guy. You said yes.
Excuse you, Nebo. Is that coming from you?
Wait. You did not accept the ring. Wait, your girlfriend proposed to you. What is wrong with that?
Guy, what is wrong with you? Have you ever seen a woman proposing to a man before?
Listen, my guy, let me tell you, most important thing is that proposal is there. Whether you propose or she propose, proposal is there. Love is there.
I beg your pardon. What in the world are you bragging about? Have you ever seen a woman proposing to a man? What are you talking about?
Listen, don't beg my pardon. Don't beg my pardon. Forget about the pardon. You're supposed to collect the ring. What are you telling me? Your girlfriend is doing well. She's nice. She's doing well. Did I see anyone that proposed to me? I will collect it with 2 hands. Share my responsibility. And you said no. In this regime, oh boy, you mess up, oh. You mess up. How I wish I could.
I don't have time for this.
Hi. Maurice, don't tell me you are dodging my cake. Maurice, don't tell me you are dodging my cake, Maurice. Neighbor, can you see you? Maurice is dodging my cake. Maurice, come and give me my cake. What are you trying to do? You can't touch this cake. Maurice, come and give me my cake. Open it.
Melissa, you simply went overboard.
I am telling you the simple truth, you went overboard. I don't understand it. Have you seen a woman propose to a man before? Have you? Where is that done?
He has refused to do the needful, so I just thought I could.
And you think the needful is you proposing to a man? You propose to an African man? Are you being serious? Are you our sister? Am I your sister? Is Meg your sister? Listen, you are an African descent. We're not Westerners. This is simply unacceptable. Melissa, it's simply unacceptable. Hey!
I don't get this one bit. I only see a desperate chick desperate to get married. Why the rush, Melissa? I mean, we're triplets, aren't we?
I've invested a whole lot on Maurice, and I'm not going to sit back and watch another woman enjoy the fruits of my labor.
What exactly do you mean by that?
You girls know what I mean. You know, don't act dumb.
Know what? Know what? Let me tell you the truth, oh. You embarrassed that young man. You embarrassed yourself and you embarrassed us. You embarrassed us because nobody does this. Nobody proposes to a man. What's wrong with you? And you were even proposing with both knees. Did you know when you even wanted to plan this proposal, did you not see that they proposed with one knee?
You know, the annoying thing is you made me dress. And I just look like... It feels like I was a Christmas goat. Just served up to be slaughtered for Christmas with a sham of... What's this nonsense preparation in the first place? You know what? Melissa, I will not forgive you for this.
Yes, we are angry. I love Maurice with the whole fiber. I love him so much. I want to hold around Maurice. Why didn't he just say yes? Why didn't he just say yes? What's so happy? What's so beautiful? This embarrassment needs to be... Get away, you! May come and eat the cake, oh, because Maurice is no longer eating this cake alone.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
What exactly are you sorry for? That you brought me out there in the guise of a birthday party to rub mud all over me? Huh? Do you even know what you did?
Baby, you are not doing what you ought to do, so I decided to do it myself.
I'm not doing what I'm ought to do. I don't get it, Melissa. What do you mean?
You ought to have proposed, baby.
I'm ought to have proposed to you. And who is telling you that you're the one to tell me when to propose to you? Huh?
But we're in love with each other. We're compatible. So what exactly is stopping us from getting married?
Everything is stopping us from getting married. Your desperation is something that I don't like and you know it.
I'm sorry. And I promise never to repeat it again. Please.
Listen, babe. All these antics of you taking me to wedding, telling me stories of how we'll be proposed to Ada and all that. Listen, I know all those things. But one thing that I need you to know is just, you need to calm down. You need to take it easy with me and let things flow naturally.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
I forgive you, but please, don't pull such stunts again. I don't like it.
Thank you, baby.
You don't have to thank me. Come off it. I mean, you're my woman. If I don't forgive you, who then will I forgive? You know that I love you so much from the bottom of my heart.
I love you even more, babe.
Sure. Come here. Those chocolate lips. I like them.
Hey. What are you doing?
I want to make love to my woman. Is everything okay? What's going through your mind?
Nothing.
It's fine if you don't want it. So, babe, how about the 30 million naira that I asked you? I need that money to execute a contract. When am I getting it?
You can come over to the office tomorrow and pick up the check.
Are you serious? Thank you so much, baby. I mean, what can I do without you? You're everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman. I love you so much.
I love you too. I have to be on my way now, alright?
So, see you tomorrow at the office.
Yeah.
Get here. Can't wait.
Alright, babe. Here you go.
What? My love, you did this for me?
And I'll even do more, darling.
Oh, you're so sweet. Baby, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, baby, I'm so excited. Please.
It's okay,
Baby,
darling.
you're so
Anything
sweet.
for you.
30 million naira for me, baby.
And I want you to really make good use of it.
Of course, I will. Oh, Meg, Mandy, please help me thank your sister. She's been so good to me.
Thank you, sis.
Yeah, thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
My love, thank you so much.
It's okay,
To my
darling.
word, what can I do with that?
Baby's fine. Alright, you have to run along now because we have workload to do.
Oh, I will leave now. Babe, I love you.
I love you right back.
Can I?
Alright, bye. Bye.
Okay.
Melissa, how could you?
Why can't I? Isn't he my man?
30 million naira. Just like that. What for? Have you ever sent such an amount to mom and dad?
Please, don't even go there, sis, because that's purely emotional blackmail. You know that, right?
What? 30 million naira? Man, I'm 30 million naira richer! Man, this baby came on you. She would have asked for 50 million naira and she would have given it to me ASAP. But well, I'm cool with the 30 million naira. Let's not be as if I'm greedy. But I know she would have given it to me though. 30 million naira richer. Which lounge, which hotel, which club where I go ball nah? Or should I just leave this money sitting right there in my account? Man, 50 million naira would have been better, but let me go with this 30 million. After all, I'm not even going to do anything with the 30 million naira. It's just gonna be sitting right there in my account. Man, I'm so happy. Maurice, what's up? Woo!
Oh, okay. Melissa. Sorry, please. I really need to understand something. Just one question. What does this guy, I mean Maurice, what does he do for a living? Because I certainly do not know him with any job or business. What does he do?
Mandy, what sort of rhetorical question is this? Everyone knows what Maurice does for a living, so why are you asking me?
Well, I don't.
Yes, I don't either.
So tell us, what exactly does he do for a living? Or does he live off you?
Oh, please.
Yeah, of course, don't please me. I mean, you pay his rent. You clothe him. You even bought him a car. You practically do all the chores in his house. And to top it all up, you give him sex as complimentary.
And how bad is that? Are you saying I should restrict my boyfriend from having my body? Is that it?
As a man, what does he do for you?
He satisfies my urge.
Wow.
Yes. That is what he does.
Sorry. If I get you clearly, you're saying that you pay him for giving you maximum sexual satisfaction. More or less, he's a gigolo then.
No. Please, he is not a gigolo. What is wrong with you two? Why am I even entertaining this discussion? Huh? He's not a gigolo. Hey, please, I gave him my money, not yours. Alright?
Your money.
Yeah.
It's your money.
Yeah, my money. I mean, you guys are being paranoid. Excuse me, we have work to do. Please, girls are just being insensitive. What? Hey, wait, I want us to discuss about something, please.
Baby, that can wait. Come on.
No, I'd rather we discuss it now.
Baby, can't you see my state? Allow me to release something. I want to have you.
I missed my period.
What? What is it with you always losing your period?
Just get rid of it.
Maurice, an abortion? Maurice, why are you doing this to me? No.
Melissa, listen. We can't afford to keep the baby.
Why? Why not? You want me to take out this one? This will be the third pregnancy. And you want me to take out this third pregnancy? I can't do it. In fact, what is keeping us from getting married?
Oh, I see. You keep allowing yourself to get pregnant because you want to push me into marriage, isn't it? Allow me be the man.
Mandy, I don't understand why Maurice has vehemently refused to propose to Melissa despite being together for so long. I mean, our sister is made. She's really comfortable. What's the problem?
I don't understand it either. I don't.
The earlier Melissa realizes that Maurice cares about himself only, the better for her.
Don't even say that to her, because she's going to have your head. Do you understand? You have been talking to her. You've actually said, leave this relationship, and she wouldn't even budge. So just let her be. I think she wants, Maurice to get married to her.
But the guy doesn't care one bit. He doesn't love her. My advice is for her to just look for love someplace else.
Then keep talking to her. She's your sister. Keep talking to her. Once you talk to her, maybe you just change strategy the way you've been talking to her. She will listen. Hopefully one day she listens and then gets someone who is, on the same level with her. She will listen.
Did you just say she's my sister?
Mm-hmm.
Is she not your sister? Your sister is stuck in a relationship with a low-life idiot, and you're saying, oh, keep talking to her and all that. What happened to your mouth?
No, you seem to be the one who is so, as if the whole thing is bothering you more. That's why I said keep talking to her. You understand?
Person love life no concern me. I'm just saying, because the minute you are out of one deadbeat relationship, perhaps you might just find your husband.
You're actually saying the truth because she's the one paying the bills. She pays the bills, everything. She just does everything.
But that's what annoys me the most. I mean, the guy is so classless. What kind of love is that? Hey, me, I can never be caught. Not in this life, even in the next lifetime. I cannot be caught in a deadbeat relationship with me. Pay a guy's bills. God forbid.
Easy.
No, very easy.
Be calming down. You're the last in this family,
Very
but your
calm.
mouth is like this. What
Are
is
you
it?
saying? Am I not calm? Very demure.
It is not demure. It is demure. And you're the one who speaks.
I don't get it.
It's demure.
I don't get it.
Demure.
Oh, please. Very demure.
See, don't talk to Melissa in that tone. No. She will just cut off your hair. Even breathe.
It's not my love life, I'm just saying.
Say it here. You said I senior you, so relax.
I don't understand. Just with minutes. Both of you. So what's the meaning of the I'm the elder, you're the younger and everything?
What is minutes? You're the last.
I am not last. We came the same day.
Who is the first?
I don't care. It's just a couple of minutes.
Just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, whatever. But besides, I'm the most beautiful.
No,
Oh my
see,
God.
yeah,
And you guys are just so jealous about me.
Yeah,
You wish you were me, darling.
All I'm saying is don't tell Melissa that before Melissa will just seize everything that concerns you.
Very funny.
Baby, I'm not getting any younger. What is keeping you from putting the ring in my finger? What? I need to get married. I'll soon get old. That's not what I want.
Melissa, why are you being so desperate?
Oh yes, Maurice. I am desperate and I know it. I'm desperately in need to get married. So what's keeping you? Huh?
And who is telling you that you're old? You're still a very young, beautiful girl. So many of your age mates are not even married yet. So why are you being paranoid unnecessarily?
Okay, then what? Huh?
Melissa, I have two elder brothers that are not married yet. And it's unwise for me to marry before them. I'm the last one.
Maurice, I am pregnant. Don't you get it?
Get rid of it.
Is it that you hate children? That's why you keep terminating innocent babies. You keep killing children. Why are you doing this?
Melissa, do I need to remind you that we're not killing anybody at this stage now? It's just blood. Flush it.
I am not flushing anything. I'm keeping this baby.
Oh, I see. In that case, I will not be held responsible. Not even the pregnancy.
Really?
Yes.
I have to be on my way. Excuse me.
Melissa.
Excuse me.
God, not taking it. Imagine Melissa trying to pin me down with pregnancy. I'm a guy man and I will not accept that. Not now, not ever. I will not. Tomorrow she'll say she's the one paying bills for me. I can't even imagine myself getting married to somebody way richer than I am. I'm not the first to get a woman pregnant.
What am I doing wrong? Where am I getting it all wrong? What exactly does Maurice want? I've been with him from the get-go. I've done a lot for him. Secured contracts upon contracts for him. I've set him up on his feet. So what does he want? What is stopping him from throwing an engagement party and slipping the ring in my finger so we can just get married? Why is he doing this to me? Why doesn't he want this baby?
Madam, welcome. What's happened? God, you said the thought you have for my madam is a thought of good but not of evil. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Anything when make my madam not happy, Father, I cast it away. Let the Spirit say, Amen. Cover myself too.
I thought Melissa just drove in now. What's still keeping her?
Perhaps she's on call with her good-for-nothing boyfriend, who is so scared of taking responsibility. I wonder what he's up to this time.
Hi, sis.
Sis.
Sit down. What is it? Are you good? Are you okay?
You can as well say something and not keep us quiet. What is it?
He asked me to report the pregnancy.
Is he mad?
Something a walking head. You know what? Listen to me. Melissa, come on. See, trust me. He does not have any right to tell you that.
You do not have to abort this pregnancy. Come on. We're here for you.
Yes, we're solidly behind you. You're not aborting anything. No more abortions.
Please. Well, come on. Stop crying. You're too beautiful to cry. He's not worth your tear. And trust me when I say he's not worth a tear of yours. Calm down. Relax. Okay?
It's fine. Okay?
Mel. Come on, sis. Come on. You're too pretty. Stop.
Yeah, stop shedding tears for him.
Melissa. You're beautiful. Don't let him talk you down. Sis.
It's okay now. You yourself.
Mel.
Mel.
Oh, hi. Good morning. Please, have you seen the guy that frees Rosabell?
You mean Maurice?
Yeah.
Maurice.
Maurice is no longer staying in Nigeria now. He relocated to Dubai.
Sorry, what do you... I mean the guy that stays here.
I thought he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
Wait, I guess you don't know the person I'm talking about. I mean,
I thought
Maurice.
he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know. He's no longer staying in Nigeria.
Where is he?
He's in Dubai right now.
God.
Are you okay?
No, I mean, how?
What happened? Is everything alright?
How? Oh my God.
But you're supposed to know now. You're supposed to know. He's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
No, he didn't. He's not meant to be. He's meant to be here. He didn't tell me he's going anywhere.
No, now you're supposed to know now.
Why are you doing this? Why are you hurting yourself? Why are you doing this because of someone that doesn't deserve you?
I'm so shattered. Where do I go from here? Where?
Please, put yourself together, please. Put yourself together, okay?
I spent 5 years of my life with a snitch. God, I feel like ending it all. I just can't.
Come on, girl. No, come on. Why are you saying such thing? You want to end your life because of a guy? I am highly disappointed in you. Why are you saying this? Come on. Pick up your pieces and move on with your life. Please. Come on, please. Stop. Please. Wow. You own this edifice. What is wrong with Maurice? What does Maurice want?
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your kind act. Thank you.
You're welcome. I was actually going to work before I saw you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I have to be on my way now. Or should I help you inside?
No, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm okay.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, can't believe you did this to me.
Yeah. You're not going to work now.
Hey, Melissa, what's the problem? Why are you crying? What happened? Did anybody hurt you? Did anybody beat you? What's the problem now?
Melissa, please do not keep mute. Talk to us. What's happening?
Maurice has relocated to Dubai.
What? He left?
He left me with a child.
Oh my God! Jesus. He what? Jesus Christ. You mean that idiot fool Maurice actually left? After everything you have done for him? Oh my God. Oh my God. What is wrong with this gender? Look at you. You have the money. You're beautiful, sassy, and classy. Yes. Melissa, you are more than enough. Don't let anything get you down.
Sincerely, yes.
I don't understand. What else would they want that's not embedded in you? See Maurice, that useless idiot. That guy that does not even have sense, smelly goats that you are helping. Oh my word. Oh my word. Instead of him to stay back and take full responsibility, he decides to leave you with a pregnancy, duping you of your hard-earned money. Processed his travel documents and left the country. Is he mad? Is he insane? What is wrong with this idiot?
It's okay, okay? Listen, it's only a fool that will leave a beautiful girl like you. I'm serious, Melissa, you're 10 over 10 now.
You see when I start now, they'll say Mega started. But if I catch that guy, if I burn red candle for that guy.
If not for the intervention of his neighbor, I shouldn't have come back if he drove me home. He was the one who told me that Maurice has relocated to Dubai.
It's okay.
I am so devastated.
It's okay. It's okay. We understand.
This is insane. This is not right.
How could he?
Oh, the guy is a
fool. It's okay, Melissa. It's fine. We can handle it.
Mel. What he did was wrong. I just need to state the obvious. You know what?
See, no.
I am
madam.
No.
It's okay.
What I will do to him. I know what. I have friends. I need to make a call. I will deal with that.
Madam. Please. Let's go to work. Be civil, okay?
No, I cannot go to work like this. I will see. This is.
I cannot be controlling you. Come on, we should be her strength now. Okay, that's what you say.
Oh, Mandy?
Hi, Meg.
Where's the CEO?
She's not on seat.
How can the CEO not be on seat? It's 12 noon, and you think everything is fine with her at home?
Meg, what is wrong with you? You and I know what she's passing through. She's not in her right frame of mind.
Right frame of mind or not, Mr. Clark has been calling repeatedly. He needs to speak with her. Oh, he's calling again.
Why don't you answer the call? He's calling you because he knows you can handle it, so handle it.
Mr. Clark? No, of course not.
Exactly what you should have done.
Believe you did this to me. Can't believe you did this to me. I can believe my eyes. So you can do this. this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding.
No! What do you think? Don't give me that. What are you doing? Stop!
Give it to me.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Just let me have such.
No.
Melissa. Melissa, what is it? Why are you here drinking yourself to stupor? I don't understand it. Don't you know you're pregnant? Do you want to hurt the baby?
Yes. I want to hurt the baby. I want it flushed out. I don't want it anymore.
Oh, you do not want to hurt an innocent child. What has the child done to you? Nothing. Mel, you have to calm down, okay? What if something happens tomorrow? This child could be your consolation.
Exactly.
I feel so shattered. I'm finished. It's all over for me. Maurice has broken my heart into 1,000 pieces. Just do.
Okay, fine. I understand that he, left you and traveled to Dubai. But it's not enough reason for you to do this to yourself.
Exactly.
You don't have to be broken. You have somebody else to take care of, and that's your baby.
Yes.
I want to be an auntie.
Can you listen to yourselves? Can you?
Relax.
We're talking about 5 years of my precious life.
Understand.
I gave him everything and he was out there processing his documents and visa to travel.
Sorry.
To travel to wherever he went to, and he left me out of the plan. He didn't tell me and he was siphoning money.
Calm down. Listen, you were in love with him. He was not in love with you. So what? You fell in love with a prankster. Who cares? Mel, you have to get your act together. Listen, Mr. Clark called today and you were not on seat.
Mr. Clark can go to hell for all I care.
Melissa, this is work.
It's Mr. Clark you think about. That's how I feel. This is work. Then go through it.
Melissa, Mel, be careful.
I don't understand you. I don't get you at all. For real, Meg.
Yes?
Mr. Clark, in this kind of situation.
I don't understand. Someone needed to say it.
No, somebody doesn't need to say anything. Listen, the worst she feared has come upon her. She being a single mother, she doesn't want it, but here she is. Can't you see?
And you think that I'm heartless for talking to her about work? Mel built this company from ground up, and you want her to throw it all away because of that idiot? I won't let it happen. She needs to get her act together. And she better start doing it now. I picked Mr. Clark's call today. Who will do it next time? Anyway, I understand that he tricked her. I understand that he's a stupid person. She was in love with him. He was never in love with her. It's obvious. I kept warning her. He showed her all the red flags, but she didn't want to take it. I told her, leave this guy before it's too late, but she didn't. So,
So you don't understand that your sister has got a soft heart. She loved this guy so deeply. She could do literally anything for the guy. And she's in this condition, but yet, look at your tone.
Agreed. You think I'm the devil here? You think I do not love my sister? Yes, like I said, she was in love with him. But the fact remains, he was never in love with her. The facts are clear. He left. He left her and traveled. He deceived her. He was a trickster, a prankster. Imagine the bastard asking us to go get married. What effrontery!
Anyway, if Melissa is still in this mood and Mr. Clark calls, you'll still pick the call. Yes.
Really? Mandy, I'm hungry. Let's go. Take something to eat. Don't start drinking.
I won't. Not food.
Ah, God. Why did you give me two sisters who are full of so much trouble? What a life. Is that tears? Mel, are you crying? Dinner is served. Let's go eat.
You're not hungry.
It's been days. You haven't eaten. How can you say you're not hungry?
I do not want food.
What do you want?
I want to die.
What? You want to die? Simply because you were jilted? Wow. What is wrong with you, Mel? What is your problem? Is this why you've been so withdrawn and you've been sulking? Completely all alone? And starving yourself? Because of Maurice? Maurice! Melissa. It's like you don't even know yourself. No, you do not know. You know what? I'll remind you. Melissa, you are up here. Maurice, down here. Come on, girl. How can a classy babe like you fall so low to date that low-life idiot? How?
Low life, classless, an idiot. Maurice was my Prince Charming.
Oh. I get it. You got swept off your feet by his good looks. But let me ask you, sis. Who has fine face and six-packs helped? Who? Trust me, no one. You're better off without him. Please, just come off all this nonsense. Let's go eat. If not for anything, for that innocent baby in your womb. Come, let's go. Mel.
What is she still doing in bed? What happened?
She's on hunger strike.
Hunger what?
Hunger strike because her Prince Charming dumped her. I'm off.
I don't get it. Mel. Hunger? Why? Where are you off to?
To go eat. I'm hungry.
To eat? Are you being serious right now? And your sister is here. Meg, what is wrong with you? What kind of a heart do you have? Don't you think you're supposed to convince her to go downstairs with you and eat? That's what you're supposed to do.
I think I've been joking here. I've tried every trick in the book to convince her to come eat. She has refused. What do you want me to do? Excuse myself? For me, see, today has been a very bad day for me. I'm going to eat. Please, I am not in the mood. Mandy.
Is this how you behave?
She only just said, see, there's nothing I haven't said. She said she wants to die. Who cares?
Jesus. She wants to die and you want to go out. Don't you know that if you walk away, she might just hurt herself? Are you being serious? Meg, for real?
Mandy, yes, for real. Is she a child?
What is wrong with you?
Mandy, in case you have not noticed, I do not want to go on hunger strike. You can stay here with her and don't eat. For me, I am super hungry. In fact, I am famished and I'm tired. I'm not cut out for all of this. Please! I want her. It's not like I didn't want her. I did. She didn't listen. Now, this is the result. And you want me to suffer with it. Please. Oh my God, I'm not just be hungry in peace again.
Okay. I know you're hungry. I'll go get your food, okay? And you will eat. If not for anything, but for the person who's going to call me auntie. I'm coming back, okay?
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken.
Good day.
Good day. Who are you?
My name is Frankie. I came to see the owner of this house.
One of them.
I'm the guy that brought her home the other day.
Oh, the guy who brought her from Maurice's compound.
Yes. I actually came to know how she's faring.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
But what happened to you? You just disappeared into thin air after you came.
I am sorry about that. I've been pretty busy.
You know what? Get my sister. I didn't ask you to smile. Get my sister.
Okay, sorry.
You're welcome. Please sit.
I'm fine here. I'm okay.
Oh, I could just get on the seat. It's
No,
fine.
I'm fine. I said I'm fine.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, here she comes.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you?
Oh,
It's like you have short memory. My name is Frankie. Maurice for my neighbor.
She's quite tired from work. She had a very hectic day at work.
I can see that.
Yes. Some other time, maybe she'll be in a better.
All right. Thank
But it was nice to meet you, though.
Nice to meet you too.
Of course, yeah.
I think I have to be on my way.
All right then.
Take care.
Sure, of course. Bye. Melissa.
Melissa, you know you're wrong, right? What you did is totally wrong. It wasn't fair to that guy. I cannot remember inviting him over. He brought you home last night. Do you understand? He was headed to work, saw you in your state, heartbroken, and he decided to bring you. He felt he could help you out. He decided to bring you home, and here he's here to say hi to you, and you walked out on him. You think it's nice?
You know, as much as I feel sorry for him, all men are the same and they deserve to be treated,
I don't understand you. I don't get you
What
at
did
all.
I
At all.
say?
No, are you? Why are you sounding like he was here to ask her for a relationship? He wasn't here to ask her for a relationship because obviously he knows she just got out of one. He was only here to say hi, and that was it.
Mind reader. So that's what he told you, or you read his mind? That he just came here to say hi.
Meg, you know you're not helping matters here. That guy is the reason our sister is here and alive today. Do you understand it? Listen, I cannot be here and be discussing this thing with all of you.
Well, it's pretty simple.
I don't want to see him here anymore.
Melissa, honestly speaking, what you did was wrong. In all fairness, it was a harmless visit. You made him feel bad, and you made me look stupid. This one, relax. Mandy, you sound agitated. What's wrong? What? Oh my God, please do not let her out of your sight. I'll be right there. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Hey, pretty. I'm Davis by name. Hey, pretty. She just loved me.
What happened?
Who's that lady that just left the supermarket now?
Oh, you mean Meg? She's the lady that works in Triple M group of company.
Meg?
Yes, Meg.
You mean you know her?
Yes, I know her. Yeah, they were born triplets and the eldest of them all is the owner of the company. And she's a multi-billionaire.
That sounds nice. You know, I would love to see her again.
Okay. You know what will happen? Let us go inside. I'll give you the address when you're going.
Alright, sure. Let's go.
You know you won't kill yourself, right? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sis, what's this I hear? That you want to take your own life because of Maurice? Is that what you want? To die? What is wrong with you? You want to die and leave everything you've ever worked for? Are you kidding me right now? Melissa, did you even stop for once to consider your family? What the news of your suicide would do to us? Did you consider it?
Okay, Meg, it's okay. Like, you just need to take it easy. Can't you see she's heartbroken?
Go easy on her? Perhaps I should clap for her for trying to commit suicide because of a man.
Meg.
Yes, I should give her more accolades. Do you know how insensitive that is? Why are you megging me? I knew she was loving the wrong guy. I tried to talk to her, but no, she would not listen. She was carried away with his good looks and how good he was in bed. Can you imagine that?
Melissa, sincerely speaking, Meg is right, though, because you were actually thinking you would use your financial muscles in getting yourself a husband, which is totally wrong. I don't know where you've seen anyone do that before.
Who does that? You have refused to listen to any one of us, thinking we don't want you to get married. You know me now. Me and men? No way. We do not mix. I do not care. They can all rot in hell for all I care. Yes!
Hey.
She's your sister. Tell her the truth.
You are spelling it out, so but easy. Please.
I don't like the way you sugarcoat things. She's not a child.
Who is sugarcoating things? Am I sugarcoating things?
She just tried to take her life.
But she didn't. She did not.
Do you know how scared I was?
If you're scared, show it now. Show it that you were scared. Show it.
How can I cope with the pregnancy?
You will move on, oh. You will. You will move on. You've seen.
Sis, you're a strong woman. And I love you. We love you. Agreed, you're pregnant. It's not the end of the world. We're here for you. Please, don't die. I was really scared when I thought I had lost you. I never want you to leave me. So please don't do this next time. Maurice, he doesn't deserve you. It's your baby. Our baby. Okay?
No, it's not the baby part. I mean, your eyes, what are those?
Something entered my eye, of course.
Just say you want to be an auntie. Tell her. We can be this soft. Melissa, please, oh. Meg wants to be an auntie. You don't have to die, oh. Please don't die. You die now.
I'm sure we must have given her a very hard time.
Yes, you sure did.
Hello, ladies.
Hi. Hello. How may we help?
I am here to see Meg.
Meg.
You're here to see Meg.
Meg?
Sis.
Hi, Meg.
I have seen this face somewhere. I remember now.
You! What are you doing here?
Meg, come on. What sort of question is that? You might be here for a business.
What business? What do you want? Be explicit and leave. I have a lot of workload piled on my table. So, out with it. What do you want?
Meg, I know I shouldn't be here during working hours.
You shouldn't.
But it's lunchtime. I was thinking we could do lunch together. But it's fine. I can see you guys are still busy with work. Maybe I'll just go and come back later.
Yes, you should. And never come back.
Okay.
Bye.
I'm sorry to perturb you guys, okay?
Good riddance.
Okay. Yes. Tell you what? No, tell you what? That was harsh.
Tell me, sis. What did he say?
That was harsh.
Good.
I'll be in my office.
I told you, Melissa. Don't you think that her brain is in her ass? Because she's not one of us.
Mandy, you're beginning to be the problem here. Language. This is an office space.
Office space, but this is our office.
Be professional, please.
Alright, professional, I will be. Don't you think that her brain is in her arse? Something like that.
Leave my office.
Just go. Sorry.
Just go.
I'm sorry, it's just that she's messing up. Give it to me, I'll go.
Yeah, that's true.
Madam.
Sabinus. Where are my sisters? Meg and Mandy.
Madam, them know they're inside.
Sabinus, if they were to be inside, I won't be asking you. Where are they?
Okay, madam, check wardrobe now. Maybe they don't dey inside wardrobe to change clothes.
Are you alright?
Yes, madam.
So where are they?
Oh, okay, madam. My spirit is telling me that them there backyard.
So why didn't you say it immediately?
Because the spirit was not talking to me then.
Check the gate.
They go always be never full. Madam na abokio. They go.
This is good. I know.
Where did you buy this?
Same store I usually do.
Gives you beautiful wines.
I just know how to get the best out of people. Oh, Mandy. There's actually something that's been bothering me. Mel. Mel is supposed to be pregnant, right?
Mm-hmm.
But she's not showing. There are no signs of pregnancy.
Yeah, true. Because I've been wondering, did she terminate the pregnancy?
But why we should do something like that without even telling us?
Yeah, because she's supposed to be showing. Hey, Melissa.
I was looking for you guys.
We're here. We're in here. Oh. Melissa, please. You're supposed to be pregnant, right? What happened?
Or is it that at 6 months you're not supposed to be showing? Because from what I see, your tummy is all flat and you're not even showing any signs. Like there are no weakness, nothing. What's up? What's going on?
What happened?
Well, nothing happened and there's nothing to talk about.
What do you mean nothing to talk about? Say somebody that actually made us understand she's with child. What happened? Melissa.
Okay, I just wanted us to sit and talk, but I'm not invited.
It's not inside. That we don't want you.
No, I'll be inside. It's fine. It's fine. I actually wanted us to talk, but you see what I mean?
She just dodged the question. Something is wrong.
I'm sure she terminated it.
Right.
Because that could be the only explanation.
Right. But have you seen her like weak? Maybe I've not even seen her throw up. Have you?
No. Mel has been secretive these days. She tends to avoid us a lot of times.
She won't give me headache, please. Ah, this is good.
Are you serious right now?
Hello, you're on to Triple M Company. How may we help you? Joachim. Sorry, from where? I'm sorry, I do not know who Joachim Obini is. Yeah, I did, but I really don't know any Dr. Joachim Odoini. Take care. So somebody's pretending not to know who Joachim Odoini is. Son of the billionaire, Chief Odoini. The person you actually went to school under his scholarship. You don't know? I don't know.
Mel? Okay. What happened to your pregnancy?
Oh my goodness, what is all this? Not now. Why? Why not now? I left you girls downstairs just to come up here and have my peace. Just let me be.
That's because I want some answers. I need to know.
Okay, I think I need to shower because I'm all sweaty.
And I'll come to the bathroom to get my answer.
I'm locking the door.
Why is she running away from my question?
What are you doing here? I drove and I saw you. What's happening? What
Today
happened?
of all days, my car used to spoil. And I'm rushing to somewhere. I'm rushing to Emirates Investment to sign a contract.
Okay. Have you tried calling your mechanic? You know, anybody that can help?
I have called him. His number is not going. I've called him many times. His number is not going. I don't know what to do again.
Okay.
I don't even know what to do. Yes, let me call him again. The number is not going.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Just calm down, all right? I don't mind. Since you're going to sign a contract, I can, you can use my car. Just go and do what you want to do.
You mean I should go with your car?
Yes. I would just be here and then, call my own mechanic to come.
You barely know me. What if I bash the car or disappear with your car? Have you thought of that?
What are you saying? You're not a stranger, Frankie. And you've been driving for a very long time, so you're not going to bash the car and you will not run away. So I'm giving you this. Take my car and I'll just pick my bag and, make a few calls. We'll get this sorted out. You need to run along.
All right, thank you.
Let's go. Okay, so I'll just pick my handbag, okay? Alright, that's it. I'll make the call, okay?
Hello? It's okay. Don't always praise me. I don't like it. Just relax. I called you for something. I need help. I'm at No, it's not my car. You can't. No. Just come. I need your help. I need you to fix something for me in a friend's car. But I'm on the road. Nothing is going to happen to me. Kidnappers are not here. Just come. Take yes, drive yourself. Let me text you the address, okay? Hi.
What if the guy had run away with the car?
Unfortunately, your sister didn't put that into consideration.
Mandy. You know what? Relax. Let's wait for her to come back.
So tell me about yourself.
You see, there's really nothing so big about me. My name is Mandy, and I was born a triplet.
Wow. You mean you are triplets?
Melissa and Meg are my triplet sisters.
Wow, I see.
Let me bust your bubbles. I have 2 brothers. They are identical twins.
Wow.
But they're not based here, they're based in the UK. So here, it's just myself, Melissa, and Meg. We live here. We run a company called Triple N